So today we are talking about the chemistry behind decorative textured paint. Now, decorative textured paint such as Gravitex, granite effect coatings, or stone textured finishing is an engineered coating in which each ingredient performs a specific chemicals or physical functions. The final appearance is created by controlling particle size firmly, methodologies or followed behaviors, adhesion and light reflection. Now, the first among these chemicals we're talking about is binder. Now, the binder is usually one. We have acrylic emulsion, we have styrene acrylic, we have vinyl that everyone knows. Although the vinyl is actually used for low cost interior production. For those of you who want to use vinyl, it's not as strong as that of acrylic binder or acrylic styrene. So for this production, you want to do something that you want to look quality or something. So you need an acrylic binder for this particular production. Now, what does the binder do? Now, this is where we have situations where it is important for you to know the functions and what it does in your production. The binder consists of tiny polymer particles dispersed in water. Although, when the binder is applied, water begins to evaporate, the polymer particles move together, the particles softened and fused together. They form one continuous polymer firm in your production. Now, they hold every particles together. They bond the coating firmly to the wall. They provide water resistance. They give durability and flexibility. Now, given all this, it reminds us that we cannot do without binder. The texture would simply fall apart off the wall. Now, the textured aggregate. Textured aggregate create visible textures. The chemistry here is mostly physical rather than chemical. I think now is the thickener. That is the next chemical we're talking about is the thickener. The examples of this thickener is nitrosol, as you all know, or halosol. Now, this controls the flow of the paint. Their functions include one, because you need to know the functions of these chemicals before you could know what you're doing with it. So now, number one is they prevent the heavy particles from settling. Number two is helping the coating stay on the vertical wall without sagging. 3. It gives good workability with rollers, without rollers, mark or trowels. However, without thickener, sand settles. The sand here means the stones, the calcium, and other chemicals involved. Stone particles sinks and the texture becomes uneven. Now, the next chemical we'll talk about is titanium dioxide. Most people think titanium dioxide only provide whiteness, but no, that's not just the work of titanium dioxide in paint making. Now, one of the work titanium dioxide does is in paint making, titanium dioxide increases brightness. It improves opacity. It makes color appears cleaner and brighter. It improves UV resistance. It also helps to reduce fading. Now, aside this, a lot of people will tell you titan this. No, it wasn't just for, it has a lot of functions on the paint production. Now, the pigment, which is the color aspect of it. Yeah, so on this color aspect, we'll have a lot of color pigments. We'll have yellow oxide, we'll have black oxide, we'll have red oxide, we'll have blue oxide. We'll have many kind of colors, different type of colors, so I think we'll stop here today. For those of you who will want to know further on how to make granite paint, or as you people call it, marble trowel, or even Gravitex. So you may reach out to us. Our contact is here below, and then we'll take it from there. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like. Thank you.